What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video in which I actually have something very exciting to share. Because in this video we'll talk about how to actually become a profitable crypto trader. Trading is one of the most difficult things you can try to master and try to learn. Personally, right now I am a profitable trader, but I had to learn over 3-4 years to become profitable, and I had to spend thousands of dollars actually learning, losing money and buying courses to actually become the trader that I am. So in this video, I'll tell you about how I think you can do it in the best way to become a profitable trader. All right, and that is with something I've been working on for the last month and a half, and that is my own trading guide. I finished my own trading guide. You can see it right here in Google Drive. You can actually get access to this if you check out the links down in the description or down in the pinned comment. It's not for free. I'm just saying that I'm just saying that and stating that right now. But I do genuinely think it's worth it. It's only $50 right now, and apart from that, what you will get with it is access to an exclusive chat room full of traders like yourself and like me, and also my daily trading signals. So those are signals, trades I take on the daily, which I will actually share within that group. And apart from that, you'll get this trading guide, which is for you if you purchase the access to the group as well. So this is what it is. It's multiple hours. I mean, I actually did not calculate it, but I think it's like 5 or like 3 to 4 hours, 3 to 5 hours. I'm not sure. But this is what it is. So this guide will actually teach you everything you need to know to become a profitable trader. So even if you don't know where to start, we got the introduction, in which I will actually teach you about like what spot trades are versus futures, candlesticks, how to read them, how to use TradingView, which is the main platform I use to actually place my trades and to analyze. But apart from that, also the technicals of opening your trades, and then we will get into depth a little bit already with the best time frames to use for trading, which ones are the most reliable, which ones will make you the most profitable, and then also how to identify market trends to perhaps get some nice trades with the trend, and that you can actually identify that. But apart from that, we'll also go into the basics, so over all of the indicators I think you should know, and I will actually teach you things like understanding news, like with the interest rates and inflation rates, how to actually know how to use that in trading and how to analyze that, but also risk management and risk reward ratio. So basically everything is in that guide. Everything is in this guide, and then there's also an advanced version, or at least an advanced section in the trading guide, in which I will go over my own strategy. So there everything comes together. You've learned the basics, you've learned the basics to trading in general, and then we will talk about some tips like the 1.618 fib, which is a very strong indicator. You can make a lot of money with that, how to use that, but also setting stop loss and take profits, and just in general my strategy. So I will actually go over my strategy, how to use that in trades and how to use that in crypto and everything you need to know. But apart from that, I'll also give you a showcase of how I analyze. So you always in my video see these analysis. There's actually a video on there in which I do a full showcase of how to do that, start to finish. Like we start with a fully blank chart, and I actually go over everything in that video. But yeah, I really think this is one of the best trading guides out there. Like I said, most crypto traders on YouTube are not actually profitable. I am. All of the results, for example, for the Signal group are also 100% transparent. If you want to check that out, just go over to my Twitter, for example, and then if you go to my profile, the pinned post, you can actually just find out all of the results. There's a Google Docs file with all of the results there, so you can actually check that out, and you can also ask around in the Telegram group and Discord group if people in the Signal group, you know, what they think of it. And right now, like I said, there's a trading guide added, in which I think there's everything you need to know to really become a profitable trader, or at least to set you on the right path. So if you actually want to check that out, like I said, all of the links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. I would definitely recommend you to check that out if you think that's interesting. But for now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. But for now, that's my take on how to become a profitable trader with the Cilinix Crypto Trading Guide.